guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do something a little different because I really want to film a makeup look, but my eyes are feeling kind of itchy and like I don't want to put my contacts in. But I was like, you know what, I don't want to put my contacts in. So I was thinking like, hey, maybe because I'm wearing my glasses, people would want to see the glasses I've purchased recently. So Leanne from Makeup Mugwump told me about Lensmart online, and I was like, oh, what is this? Because I've used I Buy Direct, and I've also used Glasses USA. Now I used Glasses USA like years ago. I'm talking like years. I think I still lived in Florida, and I haven't lived in Florida for like 6-7 years now maybe, and I bought them while I was in Florida. So yeah, so anyway, that was like the original like website I used, and then I found I Buy Direct, and then she was like, hey, you know, I use Lensmart online, and I was like, oh, okay, let me check them out. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So thank you, Leanne. When I went to the eye doctor recently, between glasses and contacts, they were like, it's gonna be like $1,400, and I was like, excuse me? They were like, yeah, your glasses are like $600, and I was like, for one pair of glasses, $600. I was like, no thank you, absolutely not. So anyway, I have found that with I Buy Direct, I did have to do a little manipulating of, you know, like the arm and bending the back. And even with the Glasses USA, like the second order I did recently, because again, I used them years ago, and I really loved the pair of glasses that I had, and I contacted them and was like, hey, can you just update the lenses if I send the frames into you? And they were like, no. And so did I Buy Direct. They like, neither one of them would let me do that. So anyway, I did find that I had to adjust and manipulate them to get them to fit me properly. Not one pair of the glasses from Lensmart have I had to do anything to them. So I am like super thrilled about that. So anyway, I don't want this to be like super long video, so let's get into it. These are the Samuel glasses, and they are a tortoise shell, and they have this nice, you know, bit of metal frame here, and then this little color, little like teal tidbit they add in, and they're super comfortable. They're super lightweight. I really like them. I love a tortoiseshell glass, or frame I mean. So I had been looking for those, so I was super excited about that. So that's that pair. These are Ariana, and I got them, oh, they don't tell me. I think these were the gray. It doesn't show on my thing, but I didn't realize there's like a little, like, they remind me like they're cat eyes. And then I was like, when I got them, I was like, oh, this looks like little cat ears off the top. So I was like, they are so cute. And again, I'll link the colors because I'll have to go back and look, because it's not telling me like on my order page like what color it is. It just says the name, the size, and then it just says frame, and it doesn't say anything. So pretty sure these all came in medium, and I didn't even choose that. It's just what they came in. And again, I haven't had to adjust anything. They do have a bit of a metal arm here, and then back here with the plastic. Super cute. And then let's go to, this was my first order. I only ordered, I say only, I ordered 3 pairs, and that prior cat eye pair was one. And then I ordered these, and I didn't realize like how similar they were. So the bottoms are more squared off, whereas these are rounder on the bottom. And then I got here and I was like, oh, I really went on the safe side of things and ordered, you know, multiple glasses that kind of look the same. But again, I haven't had to adjust these. These are all, they have the metal on the inside and then the acetate on the outside. I do like the nose piece because it doesn't poke me. It's just all part of the frame there. I'm pretty sure all of these are. I don't think any of these have adjustable nose pieces. Yeah, no. So that's these. These are called the, I'll put that up here, Gia, I don't know. Anyway, I'll put that up here. So let's move on. This pair, so this was from my second order, and these are called Lyric. And in the picture, I think these are called like milk white. They actually in the picture looked more orangish, and that's why I got them. But they are definitely like milky white. Like they're really cream. They have this cute little like accent piece here that's like clear and it's got a little bit of texture to it, little design. I like the frame, and they're also metal here and then have the coated pieces at the end. I have not had to adjust anything. Again, when I got them, I was like, oh, they're so cute, and I thought they're gonna be like more of like a, again, I'll put the picture up here because they look more orange, and that's why I went with this, with that color. But you know, at this point, look, having them now, I feel like I wish they were more orange, but I'm not too upset. I'll still wear them because they're like a creamy off-white. So that's those, and they are called Lyric. And then these, now I am all about a classic black, solid black pair of glasses, and I got these are called Huck, pretty sure. And I got these, they're all the acetate, the full frame. I got these and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these. And then they get here and they have this red, and I was like, red? I was like, what is that? And I went back and looked. I could not see that, and it doesn't say that anywhere in the description that it has red accents on it. So I was like super upset because I really wanted just like a solid pair of black glasses, and I really wish this was black here because I really like these. They're super lightweight. They fit beautifully. Like, I love them. They're comfortable. I did wear them to work even with the red on them because I was like, well, I'm gonna wear them. I really like them. This just irks me because I really wanted just solid black glasses, but I do like them. I'm not terribly mad at the red because sometimes I do wear red and black and I'm like, whatever, but they don't have these in solid, like solid black, so I'm just gonna go with those for now. I don't know, I keep getting on there because they always have a sale. So let's do, here is another of the first order I did. So I ordered 3. This is the 3rd pair that I ordered for the first one, and these are called Anaya. And these again are another tortoise, but these are more of like the ivory tortoise, and these are more in like a cat eye shape. So they're the acetate frame, and then they have metal here, and then they have like this cream color. But I really like how they fit. I think they're super cute. I like this. Again, I really like those. What do I want to do next? I really like these. These are fun. Again, I played it safe, and I feel like I ended up getting a lot of glasses that look similar. These are the, I think it's Millie. These are super cute, and they have all kinds of colors on them. They have blue and red, like different colors throughout here, and then they have like this clear section. And I was like, oh, that's so much fun. Again, they're super lightweight. I don't know if you can see if like the colors will show up there. See that? And then they have the metal arm, and then this piece actually matches the front. They're super lightweight, super comfy. I love them. Again, I haven't had to adjust anything. And then I got these. This is just a different color in the Huck, because these were like $6. I mean, these frames were like ridiculous. The frame was $6.95. And then you can choose what lenses you want to put in. So they remind me of like a giraffe print up here, and then they're that clear. Again, I think my thought process was I thought these were going to be more orange per the picture. Even though it was like milk white, I was like, why would milk be orange? But I was going by the picture. So here I've ended up with glasses that are similar in color, but I got these for this creamy nude color with this like giraffe print on them because I think it's so cute. So, and then last but not least, I really like these. I'm excited about them. These are the Jamar, and I thought they were really neat. How fun is that? Like, the frames are cut, hold on, let me go in the right way. So they're cut in half, like on a diagonal, so the top part is red and the bottom is black. So again, with with these other ones, my solid black ones. I think that's partly why I was so annoyed they came with red on them, because I thought they're going to be solid black, because I specifically ordered a pair of red and black frames. So that's my fault. I mean, these are super big, chunky. They have the metal arm in there, but then they're covered in that acetate, the plastic. But I mean, I'm not mad about it. They're super cute. I like them. And again, I was like, oh, I wear red and black, like they'll be so cute, ha, you know. And then they have the design here, so I thought that was great. Again, that's part of my annoyance with these, so I didn't need 2 pairs of red and black glasses. But these frames were $20, but again, I used a coupon code for like 20 or 25% off of my total order, and being as the eye doctor is like, hey, $600 for 1 pair, I spent half of that and I have 9 pairs. So there's that. So yep, 3, 6, 9. Yep, I think that is it. So all right, well, I hope all you eyeglass lovers enjoyed this video. Even if you, oh, there's something on my camera, hold on. Even if you don't wear contacts, I feel like a lot of people are starting to wear glasses just for like the fun of it. So anyway, here is the last pair of glasses. I hope you check them out. Check out Lensmart. It does take a while to get here. That's the only thing. Like when you order them, it takes like 3 to 10 days for processing, and that takes another 12 to 16 days to get here. So if you're an impatient shopper, that might really drive you nuts, but just hold out, because I'm telling you, I've loved every pair so far. Just those little caveats that I told you about, but other than that, I love them. I keep going on and looking at other ones. They have a pair of ones that remind me of like something that Luna from Harry Potter would wear, and then they have a rainbow colored pair, and they're so cute. And I'm still hunting for solid black. What's wrong with me? Just stick with the black. I'm like, can I paint the red on there? Oh, whatever. Me and my like, ugh. So anyway, I hope this video helped you decide if you want to look at Lensmart. So again, I'll link everything below, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I know it's a little different than my normal videos. I do, if you scroll back, you'll see an I Buy Direct video from a couple years ago or whatever. So anyway, this is a little off, but I don't know. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or evening or whenever you're watching this.